This pumpkin lasagna is very easy and simple to make, and it will be ready within 30 minutes. I didn't prepare any sauce for the recipe, just used minimum ingredients, and that's it. Let's make it. Cut, peel and slice the pumpkin, not too thin or too thick. Wash with normal water, pat dry, then marinate with paprika, salt and oil. In a microwave-safe bowl, add chicken mince, tomato paste, ginger garlic, soy sauce, flour, curry powder, salt and pepper. Mix it well and microwave for 5 to 6 minutes. Meanwhile, roast the pumpkin slices from both sides without using oil until brown. Now we will start layering. First the chicken mixture, then cover with pumpkin slices, then cheese, again chicken and finish with cheese. Add olive oil on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 for 10 minutes covered, then remove the cover and continue baking for another 5 to 7 minutes or until it looks fully cooked and slightly golden on top. Enjoy!